Hello everybody and thank you for coming to こしぐみ channel. Today we will be making a paper mache bowl. If you want to make a bowl or a cup, I really recommend wetting your bowl and then putting some saran wrap on it so the glue and the paper don't stick onto it. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, let's get started. So, I have some of my old Japanese school papers that I'm going to be using to make this paper mache bowl. I cut up all of the paper and there's better lighting. Win-win. Let's get started. First, I'm just going to start with the bottom. And I was told that I should, spread it out first. I made it clear that if I should put it on a paper or should I put it on the
You didn't ask that way.
or should I put it
そうに言ってなかったよ。ペーパーにつけた方がいいと思うよ。
See? Mom, I have a riddle for you. This man turned 25 but died on his 25th birthday. Why? This has a lot of math skill in it.
簡単じゃないの、それ。25 years old でdieした。そうなるじゃん。
No, but that's a little bit young, Mama. Like,
No,
it's not a car accident. It wasn't like a cancer or anything like that. There's a reason why, and it involves math.
わからない。
You want to give up? Because his birthday was on leap year. Every 4 years is his birthday. So when he turned 25, he was actually 100 in real life. Unagi. Okay, so my mom found some riddles to tell me.
食べると安心するケーキはなんだ？
What does that mean again? What does anshin mean?
Like relieves.
So, what kind of cake, if you eat, you will be relieved? Anshin cake.
そんなのないよ。安心したときなんて言うの？
Sigh. Chamomile.
What?
カモマイルだけどね、ヘモマイルじゃなくて。
Bread. Rice cake. Give me the hint.
So, this is something you will say when you 安心。
Yay, cake!
全然違う。
Beef cake. Pancake!
日本語でなんて言うの？
パニーニだった。何言うの？
ホットケーキでした。
I don't know that, Mama!
だけど、ホーって言うんだよ。
次。
亀とラクダとサインが並んで買い物に行ってます。
私、ラクって何？
ラクダ。
What's that?
Camel。
Okay.
が並んで買い物に行ってるの。
Okay.
何買うの？
What's a sign?
サイン is Rhino.
Rhino?
Yeah.
What's a rhino? One hint, please.
日本語で言わないとわかんない。
Camel rhino tea.
ちょっと惜しいけど、全部に日本語で言わないとできない。
Camel mayuru tea.
違う。
もう一個のヒント。
なんか買うときなんて言う？
お願いお願いお願い。
そんなに言わないよ。お店屋さん行って買うときなんて言うの？
あ、私これ欲しいな。
だけどお店の人になんて言ったら買えるの？
いらっしゃいませ。
お店の人になんて言ったら買えるの？
これください。
そうだよね。じゃあ何屋さんに買いに行くか教えてあげる？電気屋さん。
電気屋さんって
エレクトロニックストア。じゃあさ、亀と 楽だと最後全部続けていってみたらどうなる？
カメラください。なんか言ってるけどわかんないんだよ、ほんと。カメラください。Okay, so we finished it. We decided not to do it all the way to the top, as you can see, because we thought that it'd be kind of hard to remove when we finished the final product. So now it's time for round 2, and round 2 of riddles. Makaseo. Okay, so I'm starting from the bottom again. So, riddles, please.
お風呂に入っている貝ってなんだ？
What does kai mean?
It's a seashell.
I know this.
Uh-huh.
カエルの歌。カエル！あったかい。次。
ボールはボールでも四角いボールってなんだ？
It's like a tongue twister.
うん。
ボールって、
うん。
サッカーみたいなボールか、こういうボール。
うん。
作ってる。
それもボールだよね。
コンテイナ。No, I don't know, ママ。本当に知ってないね。
でもギブアップだね。
No,
じゃ
no.
あ。ギブアップじゃ知ってないなら。ダンボール。
Okay, so round 2 is finished. Now on to round number 3. Riddles, please.
椅子の話ね。椅子は椅子でも冷たくて美味しい椅子はなんだ？
Oh, I know this, but I don't know the name. 椅子ご。
そんなのないじゃん。
椅子！
二つに終わらないと使えないものってなんだ？
What does the word start with? Like what
わ。
letter? わ。ワタメロン。
答え？割り箸。
What's that?
The chopstick that's not like a restaurant give you.
Oh yeah, like anybody was gonna guess that, Mom. Okay, so I finished with my Japanese school homework paper part, so now I'm coloring it with other paper. So here we have light green, light pink, and sort of light purple. And I cut them into really big squares by accident. So I tried to cut them into little triangles because it looks really good with triangles. As you can see over here, it looks like a pentagon. I'm just joking. That just doesn't look like a pentagon. So people who don't know their shapes, don't listen to me, please. Because that's not a pentagon.
ペンタゴンって何なの？
It's a shape.
だけどどういうシェイプだったの？
I think it has 5 sides. It's finished! As tacky as it looks like, it's all triangles. From here. Anyways, so now we're just gonna do our last coat of glue which is going to be like not mixed glue. If you guys didn't know yet, this glue is actually water and glue to make it easier to spread and all that. But now we're just going to put a coat of fresh, not watered glue. I just thought it'd be cool to use it. First, we're going to do a little bit by a little. Ni できました。これで完成です。バイバイ。そうだね。